Hello guys, welcome back to Ruma's Rannaghor. Today we are going to make Ilish Maas with Chichinga, which is snake gourd. We are going to start off with adding oil to a heated pot, then adding chopped onions, which we are going to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. As the onions are cooking, we are going to add a tablespoon of garlic paste. Also add salt to taste. We are then going to add 1/4 cup of water so that the onions do not burn while cooking. After 3 to 4 minutes, start adding 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and a 1/2 medium tomato. Make sure to cook the masala for 5 minutes before adding the fish. Coat the fish with the masala and then cover for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Then start to flip the fish. After 1 to 2 minutes, add Chichinga, which is snake gourd, on high heat. Then add water. Make sure to cover until the Chichinga is soft and garnish with cilantro and enjoy with white rice. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again.